Hi friends, I am Saitid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to do the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay test in the Poco F3 GT device by using the color boosting method. Yes, so whenever you try to play the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay, so by default in the game turbo, you do have the color boosting options where you can actually enhance the little bit kind of colors. So I'll try to show you exactly. So is it going to any kind of impact the gameplay or not? So how much colors you can actually feel the difference? That is what I'm going to exactly mention in this entire video. So first you need to add this game into the game turbo, so only then you will be able to experience this kind of options you're getting. As you can see friends, let me try to start the map. Which match? Maybe I'll try to start the Sanhok match. So this will be the perfect scenario for the grass and everything to show you actual what is happening with this kind of enhancement of colors. So once you swipe it in, so you'll get the option which is of this option. As you can see, beside this voice changer you can find this option, as you can see friends. So once you tap on that one time, it will become saturated. If you try to tap second time, then it will become bright, as you can see. And if you tap on again third time, then visual enhancements, bright and saturated. As you can see friends, the colors how they got changed beside everything, the jeep color and the grass color. Let me tap again. You can see how they went back to normal. So in this way you can actually boost up the colors while playing the games, so that will give the really good feel when you're trying to play in the low light situation. That is what I meant. So definitely you'll be able to take this kind of advantage while playing this kind of games. So let's see friends, how much impact will it be there? So that is what the quality, will it make a lot of difference, or let me just a little bit of difference? That is what I'm going to exactly show you right now. I'll try to stand here in this position exactly. As you can see, in this position I'll try to stand and let me try to turn on the features one by one. Slightly saturated. As you can see the colors how they got boosted, and now as you can see, you can feel the difference in terms of the trees and everything, plants. As you can see the colors difference, sky and trees. Let me to stand here and I'll try to focus on this tree exactly. This is perfect situation, I guess. Yes. So now let me try to try again. As you can see friends, just observe the tree color, how it's changing. As you can see how everything got changed. So I think it's kind of really benefited for a few of the users, but you need to take care of the battery as well. I think the battery may be draining a little bit kind of more, I would say, but let's see what will be the battery. I'll try to do a separate video on that particular topic, but let me try to quickly drop somewhere around here. So you can see the sky colors and everything during this time of demonstration. The colors will be definitely boosted friends. It's really good to use, but some users they don't like it. Some users it feels like animated type of colors. Yes, animated. So that's what the few of the users they didn't mention. It looks like the animated type of color, so it's of no use for them. But some people they did like it. Some users they did like it. Some users they did not like it. So it depends upon the user to user as well, type of user to user. So there is no doubt in that. But let's see. So once after I drop in, I'll try to show you exactly the colors, how it is. So now let's try to observe in this area, exactly in this kind of location. Let's see. I'm trying to turn off. As you can see friends, so it got a little bit kind of dimmer. As you can see, you may not be able to see that much kind of clarity, but if you try to use this option, definitely enhance the colors. As you can see the difference friends, how it is. So I think hopefully this might be a really useful feature, but some of the users they don't like. As I said, it depends upon the user to user as well, but for me there is no issue at all using this kind of thing. But only one thing is that I need to test the battery. Will it affect any kind of battery life or not? That's gonna I need to test on this focus little bit kind of battery as well. But definitely I'll try to do my research on this color boosting as soon as possible. So will the temperature increase or not during this time of usage? That is also another thing which I need to take care about, the temperatures increasing and decreasing if you're trying to use this kind of features. This is a training map which I'm trying to show you right now. So let's see in this area whether you will be able to notice any kind of difference or not. What? Is it going autopilot? I think so. Yeah. So friends, I think it might be useful some cases, but not all the scenarios. I would say only in the few scenarios maybe it might be helpful, but that's it. So it's a quick scenario, a quick sample. Let me try to show you what is happening. So right now, as you can see, friends, these are the colors, and let me show you exactly. I'll try to show you the. Let me to point out the grass. Let me. Yep. Maybe in this way you'll be able to understand. As you can see, the color got dimmed little bit. As you can see, friends, how the colors are changing exactly. It's making the screen look slightly more brighter and more saturated, and that is the reason. That's what the advantage, I think so. But some people they don't like, some people they don't like it, as I said. So this is how it feels, friends, playing the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay using this kind of color boosting method. So let me do one quick drop test. I'll try to do the exact drop test in the boot camp to see by using the color boosting will it affect any kind of FPS or not. So you can see the colors, how they are in the surrounding. As you can see, friends, the completes. I'm going to slightly change the colors right now. These are the color looks, as you can see. Boosting, color boosting. It's kind of really cool to see this kind of different colors while playing, but still, it's a kind of looks close to the animated colors, as I said. So in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below, friends. Maybe tomorrow I'll try to do the battery draining test as soon as possible on this phone. So we'll get to know how long we can actually play the game in this mobile phone. That is what a lot of users are actually looking after. So let me know in the comment section below, friends, in case if you have any other doubts regarding the Poco F3G, I will be able to definitely answer your queries. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye. One last thing I forgot to mention. So always try to disable this color boosting before you are trying to exit the game. Always keep it to the normal, because if you try to keep it the color boosting and if you try to exit the game, what happens is that everything, the complete UI, sometimes it may change to the different colors, and you may face the issue which is a screen bleeding issue as well sometimes. That is the reason, friends, I'm trying to address you all the problems as well. So make sure to turn off the option, and before exiting this kind of game, that might be another solution. And in case if you face the problem, try to restart the device and the screen bleeding may not be happening at all. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, bye.